Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join the Audible affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar and type in join the Audible affiliate program and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will see some search results. Here you will see a search result saying Audible affiliates make money with Audible. So click on this link and you will be promoted to another page. So this is audible.in. On this page, you will have to simply scroll at the bottom. Now you will be promoted to www.audible.com. Here you will see Audible Creator Program. On this page, you'll have to click on this Become an Affiliate button. As you can see, this is a program overview. The first step is Advertise. Promote Audible through Amazon Associates. The second one is Drive Traffic. Drive visitors to Amazon.com using Audible links and banners. And the third step is make money when your visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon. So click on Become an Affiliate button, that is in yellow, and you will be promoted to sign in on your Amazon page. Here you'll have to sign in to your Amazon account. So type in your user credentials in these fields and click on the sign in button. When you click on sign in, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, enter a verification code sent to your mobile number and click on submit code. And you'll be on this page that says Amazon Associates. Here, you'll have to simply choose your address. You can click on select a different address and choose another address if you wish. Or you can also enter a new address by scrolling down, entering your pay name, address, city, state, province or region, zip or postal code, country and your phone number in these fields and click on the next button. Or you can go back and on this page choose who is the main contact for this account. So I'm going to choose the page listed above and click on next. When I click on next, I will be promoted to this page that says website and mobile app list. So here what you're going to do is enter your website's URL through which you're going to promote your Audible products. So I will navigate to my YouTube channel, click on my profile icon at the top, go to my channel, copy my channel's link, navigate to this page and paste my channel's link here, then click on add. You can also enter your mobile app or Alexa skill URL and click on the add button here. After adding any link, click on the next button and choose are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13. These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links or other ads from Amazon Associates. So choose no in this field and click on confirm. After you click on confirm, you will be promoted to your profile page. Here, enter your preferred associate's store ID, scroll down and tell Amazon about the content you create. So I'm going to type in I create tech tutorial videos and scroll down. Now in this question, I will have to answer which of the following best describes your content. So I'm going to choose search. Now tell them how did you hear about them. Now enter this caption in this field and click on you agree to the terms and conditions and select this checkbox that says you agree to the terms and condition of the associate program operating agreement. Then click on the finish button at the bottom right corner and as you can see, I just started using the Associate Central. This is my unique associate ID, that is this one. You can enter your payment and tax information here by clicking on the now button or click on the later and you'll be logged into your Amazon Associates program and using this, you can join the Audible affiliate program. So when you will sell any Audible products or services, you will see the total commission bounties and clicks here in this dashboard. So that's how you can join the Audible affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell and I will see you in the next video.